Botany Insider is so happy to announce that we have got a lot of good scores from a number of students. Our students have qualified with flying numbers. Those were there in our full courses, in our crash courses, previous year revision courses. We'll be taking up interviews with all of them. We'll be sharing their results very, very soon on our YouTube channel, on our community post every single where. So those of you who are planning out for the June 2024 examination, we have our courses ongoing. You can download Botany Insider's application and you can get yourself enrolled in our courses. We ensure quality education, and that too in the most affordable pricing possible. Thank you so much all those of you who trusted Botany Insider and enrolled in our batches previously, and you have your results in your hand. Wishing you all a very, very heartiest congratulations, those of you who qualified the examination. Wait for Botany Insider platform to bring in a lot of other courses for the students of CSIR to prepare for the examination in the most effective manner possible. We'll be bringing in a lot of interviews, we'll be bringing in a lot of interactive sessions with our qualified students. So all the best. Thank you so much once again. We are so happy to receive such a good results from our students. They all have put in a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication. We were just a helping hand. So thank you so much. All the best and good luck for your future, whatever plannings that you are about to have, whether you want to go for PhD, you want to go for assistant professor, teaching preparations, etc. Whatever is it, we are always available to help you all out in the best manner possible. Thank you, good luck, and all the very best once again.